Hi guys, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A34 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select Wallpaper and Style and click on Change Wallpapers. And now you can pick one from featured wallpaper, something from your own gallery, graphical wallpapers, colors, or you can go to Wallpaper Services and then select the picture that you like the most. Let me apply, for example, this one, and then just click on Next. Here you can take a look how this picture looks on both lock and home screens, and tap on Done to apply the change. As you can see, it has been done, so from now on, brand new wallpapers covering both your home and also lock screen. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.